Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! Andito naman tayo sa isang bagong video lesson brought to you by Aral with Misha. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin percentage decrease, grade 7 math. So diretso na po tayo sa lesson. So ngayon, i-define lang natin anong ibig sabihin ng percentage decrease. Is the amount by which a value decreases expressed as a percentage of the original value. Alright? So, ito yung formula natin, percentage decrease, original value minus the new value. Kasi nga, nag-decrease, diba? So, yung new value natin, mas maliit. Kaya kung makikita nyo, nandito na siya, itong portion na to. Kung percentage increase, yung formula natin dyan, percentage increase is equals to new value minus the original value over the original value. Siyempre, based sa original value kung gaano kataas yung tinaas niya. So ngayon, percentage decrease, ano yung percentage na binaba niya? Since mas maliit na siya, nasa pangalawa na siya, original minus the new value. Okay? Then times 100. Alright? Tandaan nyo lang yung formula na yan. Alright, so next slide tayo. So magsosolve na po tayo ng mga problems. Alright? So a bottle contains 500 ml of juice. After drinking some, 400 ml remains. What is the percentage decrease? So 500, uminom ka ng, so ang bawas dyan is 100. Natira na lang is 400 ml. Ano yung porsyento na nabawas? Okay? So, percentage decrease, yung formula natin is the original value. So, 500 ml minus yung new value niya, 400 na lang yung natira. Okay? Divided by original value. Alright? So, is equals to 100 yung binawas out of 500. Okay? So, that's 1/5. May times 100% pa yan, pero mas gusto ko ilagay na lang siya as a fraction. So, 1/5 is equals to, that's 0.2. Alright? So, 0.2, based sa previous lessons natin, para maging percentage, multiply that by 100 or move 2 decimal places. So, 0.2 is equal to 20%. So, 20% yung percentage decrease. So, 100 yung ininom mo, 400 na lang yung natira, yung ininom mo, 20% yun. Alright? So, percentage decrease, it decreased by 20%. Alright? So, next tayo. So, a worker's weekly hours decrease from 50 hours to 40. Find the percentage decrease. So, yung weekly hours ng isang trabahador from 50 naging 40. So, ano yung porsyento na nabawas sa 50 hours? So, okay? So, original value minus the new value. So, ang nabawas dyan is 10, diba? So, divided by 50 is equals to, that's 10 over 50. Okay? So, that's 1/5. 1/5 is equal to 0.2. So, 20%. So, 20% yung sagot dyan. Alright? So, yan yung porsyento na nabawas sa weekly hour ng isang trabahador. Okay? So, pwede niyong i-pause yung muna yung video, then try niyo sagutan. Alright? So, a store reduced the price of a toy from 800 to 600. What is the percentage decrease? So, from 800, original price, naging 600. Okay? So, all over 800 is equals to 200 all over 800. So, simplify. That's 2 over 8. 2 over 8 is equals to divided by 2 and divided by 2. That's 1 over 1/4. 1/4 is equals to 0.25 or is equals to 25%. Alright? So, yan yung sagot. 25%. Yung nabawas from the original value of 800. So, 800 to 600, 25% yung binawas. Okay? So, next. After a 20% decrease, the price of a jacket is 1,200. What was the original price? Alright? So, long method muna tayo. Yung based sa formula. Okay? So, ano yung formula para makuha yung percentage decrease? Diba? Is equals to the original minus new over original. Okay? Original minus new over equals to percentage, di ba? So, ito, na binigyan niya yung 20% decrease, so, ilalagay mo lang siya sa, yan yung sagot natin dati, pero ngayon, iba na yung hinahanap. What was the original price? So, 20%, gawin nating decimal, okay? And then, the original price. So, original price, gawin kong variable siya, x. X minus 1,200, okay? Since ito na yung new value after the decrease, okay? All over original value, x. Okay? So, ito, kung ilipat natin dito, multiply lang yan. Okay? 0.2x is equal to x minus 1,200. Alright? Para maging positive, gawin natin, ilipat natin to doon sa kabila. Okay? So, 1,200 plus 0.2x is equals to x. Then, ito naman, ilipat natin sa kabila. 1,200 is equals to x minus 0.2x. Okay? So, ang sagot dyan, continue tayo dito. Tandaan nyo lagi, ang pag x yan, may 1x, may 1 yan sa harap. So, 1x minus 0.2x, 0.8x. So, your x, so the original amount is 1,200 divided by 0.8. X is equal to, so, solve lang natin. I'll use a calculator for that. Divided by 0.8. That's 1,500. So, yan yung original value. Okay? Kung matandaan nyo yung previous video natin tungkol sa percentage increase, so based on analysis, di ba kung kunyari yung question is there's a 10% increase, ang ginawa natin yung 1, yan yung buo, plus 0.1. So naging 1.1. Then, multiply that by yung original value, which is, kunyari, assume tayo, x yun. So 1.1x. Then, is equal to, yan yung bagong value niya, yung na-increase na. Pero kung sa percentage decrease, 1 minus, ima-minus mo yung 20%. So, 1 minus 0.2, kasi 20% decrease daw. So, 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. Then, multiplied by that by the original value, makukuha mo na yung bagong value mo na nabawasan na. Okay? So, pwede ka actually diretso dito kung based sa analysis. Pero kung hindi naman, kung hindi nyo mag-guess, nahihirapan kayo, pwede nyo i-follow tong formula natin. Okay? So, ang sagot dyan, original value was, the original price is 1,500. Okay? So, next. A shirt. What is the sale price? Okay, a shirt originally cost 800 pesos. It is marked down by 30%. What is the sale price? So, nag-mark down ng 30%. So, ano daw yung sale price? Kung gusto nyo, long cut muna tayo. So, mark down by 0.3, yan yung 30%, is equals to original, okay, 800, minus, gawin natin yung new sale price, lagyan natin ng x pa rin, sige. Then, divided by 800. Okay? So, 800, ito, kung divide, ilipat natin dito sa kabila. So, 800 times 0.3 is equals to 800 minus x. Okay? So, what is 800 times 0.3? That's 240. Okay? Equals to 800 minus x. Lipat natin to sa kabila. X, magpa-plus x tayo. So, 240 plus x is equals to 800. Okay? So, itong 240 naman, ilipat natin sa kabila. So, minus 240. So, x is equals to 800 minus 240. X is equals to, okay, so that's 560. Alright, so yung sale price is 560. So, original price, nag 30%, minus 30%, nag 30% off. So, ang sagot dyan, 560. Kung gusto nyo ng shortcut, okay, shortcut based on analysis, so, try natin Diba, 1, kung 1, yan yung buo, okay? Yan yung buong price na 800. Kung nag-markdown ng 30%, so, 1 minus 0.3 mo kagad yan. Kasi, yan yung markdown ng 30%. So, ang equal yan, 0.7. So, dapat 0.7 na lang, 70% na lang ng original price mo. So, ang sagot, ang gawin mo lang, 800 times 0.7 kaagad. O, tignan nyo, ang sagot, ano dyan? 800 times 0.7, 560. Okay? So, pareho lang sa long method and the shortcut analysis method. So, pare-pareho lang. Pero kung sanay na kayo, pwede nyo diretso dito sa ating shortcut method. So, ang sagot dyan, sale price is 560. Alright? So, ito, pwede nyo i-try, then solve natin. A tree was 15 meters tall, so 15 meters yung taas, after a 20% decrease in height due to trimming. What is the new height? So, masyadong, lang to, lang to. Gusto nyo yung shortcut method? So, 15 meters, nag-decrease ng 20%. So, 15, ano na lang matera, nag-decrease daw. 1 yung yung buo niya, di ba? So, 1 minus 0.2. 1 minus 0.2 kasi nag-decrease daw ng 20%. So, 15 times 0.8. Okay? So, 15 times 0.8, that's 12. So, ang sagot, the new height is 12. Okay? Pero kung long cut, pwede nyo gawin is 15 meters daw yung haba niya, nag-decrease ng 20%. So, minus 15, okay? 15 of what? 15 of 20% decrease daw. So, multiply this by 0.2, okay? 15 minus, okay, what is 20.2 times 15? That's 3. 15 times 0.2, that's 3. 15 minus 3. So, 15 minus 3, that's 12. So, pareho lang din. Alright? So, 12 yung new height niya after a 20% decrease. Alright? So, okay, kung may natutunan po kayo sa ating video, paki-like. And kung nagustuhan nyo yung channel na ito, please subscribe po para ma-notify po kayo ng kung may bagong video na tayo. And please also share sa mga kapwa estudyante ng grade 7 or nag-aaral ng mga ganitong topics. So, maraming salamat po and God bless.